Okay, so in this question we have to find which of the following has the shortest CCl bond. Now, this question is based on the concept of conjugation, in which CCl single bond is converted to partial double bond, and higher the number of double bonds, shorter the bond length. So we have to check the extent of conjugation in all four cases. Now we know that double bond has shorter bond length as compared to single bond. So the compound with the highest number of double bonds has the shortest bond length, right? Now let's check for the first case. In this case, chlorine will lend or transfer a lone pair, and this bond will also open, right? And it will form Cl plus CH2. So as we can see, there is a conjugation between three atoms in this case. Now let's check the second case. Again, chlorine has lone pairs, and it's going to transfer a lone pair here. And this bond is also going to open. But in this case, H plus effect is also taking place simultaneously. Therefore, the conjugation decreases. Now let's check for the third one. Again, chlorine transfers a lone pair, and this bond opens. But at the same time, oxygen also lends lone pair. And due to this cross conjugation, the number of double bonds is less. So again, this can't be the answer. Now let's check D. In D, chlorine again has lone pairs, and it transfers one pair here, and this bond also opens. Now it has a negative charge, and this is what this case looks like. Cl, CH, double bond CH, and this is what how NO2 is bonded. Oxygen, oxygen. So as Cl transfers a lone pair and this bond opens, a negative charge is formed here, which is again transferred here, and then this bond opens and oxygen gets a negative charge, right? Now it is highly stable. Now due to this highly extended conjugation, the partial double bond will exist for a longer time. Therefore, the bond length will be shortest in this case. Therefore, D is the correct answer. There is extended conjugation present in option D, which will reduce the length of the CCl bond to the greatest extent, which can be represented as follows, as you've already seen. Thank you.